Okay, with your rainbow fruit document still open, I'd like you to find and click the zoom tool on your toolbox. That's this tool right here. And once you click it, you may have to select the resize windows to fit checkbox if it isn't already checked off, and click at 150H 300V. So that's right here in the middle of that group of bananas, and click it several times until it's magnified about 200%. Okay, and I'm just going to move the window so that it's center so we can see it better. Okay, then find and click the paintbrush tool on your toolbox. Okay, and then click the painting brush list arrow. That's this one here, and look for the brush that's right here. It's the second brush tip from the left in the second row. Okay, so just select that and then press enter on your keyboard. Okay, so we've selected what's called a size 9 brush. Okay, and just verify that the painting mode is normal. Okay, if it isn't normal, make sure you click the down arrow and check off normal. And also just verify that the opacity is 100%. Okay, if it isn't, you can use the slider and drag it all the way to the right to make it 100%. Okay, so again, we've chosen our brush size, made sure the painting is normal, and opacity is 100%. Okay, now go to your layers palette, okay, and make sure you click the layer mask thumbnail on the bananas layer. Okay, make sure you click this here, okay, just to select it. And go to your toolbox and find a button that's called Switch Foreground and Background Colors. Okay, it's a double arrow. So click it um, once, okay, and that will switch it to black on white. Okay, and now very carefully, this circle cursor that I've got represents the mask paintbrush, and drag the brush pointer over the banana on the far left until it is completely hidden. So just click and paint over the banana, and can you see what's happening? As I'm painting, I'm actually applying a mask. And so basically, wherever I'm painting that mask, that object I'm painting over disappears. Okay? So you're going to have to be quite careful as you're applying that mask. Okay? Be very careful, don't rush through it, because you're manually applying the mask. And the more care you take applying it, the better it will look. Okay? So you can get right to the edges and carefully get rid of parts of the banana. Okay, so that one banana is gone. Now, drag the brush over the banana on the far right until that banana's gone too. So again, very carefully, I'm applying a mask. Until that banana's gone as well. And as I'm painting, if you've been paying attention to the thumbnail, the mask thumbnail, you'll notice that the more I paint, the thumbnail, the mask changes as I'm painting. So you can see that as I'm painting, the mask actually becomes larger and larger because I'm basically masking off even more of the banana than I had earlier. Okay. All right. Click the zoom tool again to activate the zoom tool, and press and hold down the Alt button and click in the middle of the cluster of bananas until it returns back to 100%. And compare your document to figure E-7, which should show now 3 bananas instead of 5.